Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Edinburgh, local and long-distance movers near me. A move of more than 50 miles is considered a long-distance move. Our prices are reasonable and our movers are professionals. One way to secure the security of any relocation is develop a connection with the law's agents. We also have excellent working relationships with both federal and state agencies, and it contributes to the overall security of our relocation process. Additionally, we have insurance coverage in place to protect you from any potential obligations that may arise during or after the transfer. Our movers are also professionals and registered and can make you feel secure leaving your belongings in their care. We never make a mistake with customers' things and take great care not to lose or damage any of the items brought throughout the relocation. Apart from long-distance relocation, we can also assist with local relocation. All you need to do is get in touch with us. Our rates are very reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. Additionally, our drivers are also well-suited to the area's topography. We have no issues with busy towns, which means your belongings are safe from loss or damage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edinburgh moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.